Leopards and jaguars are legends of the animal kingdom that are very difficult to tell apart. At first glance, it's understandable to mistake a jaguar for a leopard, or vice versa. But there are some telltale signs as to whether a big cat is a leopard or a jaguar. Some of the differences between jaguar and leopard are simply in the physical appearance of the cat, and others are to do with behavior and natural range. Given the similarities between the two cats, many are wondering if leopards and jaguars would survive if they swapped habitats. In this video, we will try to answer this question. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell for more amazing videos. Although they are the smallest of the big cat species, leopards are still a powerful force to be reckoned with. In particular, their skulls are notably larger and their jaws are so powerful that they can take prey much larger than themselves. Their shoulder muscles are also particularly strong and give leopards their unique ability to climb trees, often whilst carrying remarkably heavy kills. Their powerful shoulders also help them in the leaping and jumping ability, with a 6-meter horizontal leap and a 3-meter vertical jump. Leopards can swim, although not as well as other big cat species such as tigers. Even though they are not known for speed, leopards can run very fast, at over 36 miles per hour. Leopards can blend into their environment incredibly well, primarily because of their spotted coat. Despite being instantly recognizable, the spots actually make it easier for leopards to blend in, because a disrupted pattern is harder to see than a blank pattern. Leopards grow between 3 to 6.2 feet, or 0.9 to 1.9 meters long. Their tail adds another 25 to 39 inches, or 64 to 99 centimeters to their length. Males and females vary in weight. Males typically weigh around 80 to 165 pounds, or 36 to 75 kilograms, while females usually weigh 46 to 132 pounds, or 21 to 60 kilograms. The jaguar is the largest feline on the American continent and is the only one of the world's big cats to be found in the New World. Jaguar is the third biggest cat in the world behind the tiger and the lion, and is well known for its immense power and agility. In fact, the name jaguar is said to come from the Native American word jaguar, which means he who kills with one leap. Size and weight vary considerably. Weights are normally in the range of 56 to 96 kilograms, or 124 to 211 pounds. Larger males have been recorded to weigh as much as 158 kilograms, or 348 pounds. The length, from the nose to the base of the tail of the cats, varies from 1.12 to 1.85 meters, or 3.7 to 6.1 feet. Their legs are short, considerably shorter when compared to a small tiger or lion in a similar weight range, but are thick and powerful. The jaguar stands 63 to 76 centimeters, or 25 to 30 inches tall at the shoulders. Leopards are not only the widest ranging of all big cats, but are actually one of the most adaptable and are found in a variety of different habitats, commonly found throughout sub-Saharan Africa and southern Asia. There are also small and isolated populations of leopard inhabiting remote geographic locations in the Far East and Arabia. The leopard can be found inhabiting numerous different areas, providing that there is a good source of cover and an ample supply of food, including tropical rainforests, tree-lined savanna, barren deserts, and mountain highlands. The jaguar is an animal that is indigenous to the Western Hemisphere, where it primarily inhabits the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. Although the historic range of the jaguar stretched across the whole continent and even into the southern states of the USA, they are today confined to remote pockets of rainforest, particularly in the moist Amazon basin. Jaguars tend to prefer thick, dense, moist jungles where there are plenty of covers to successfully hunt and then ambush prey. They are nearly always found close to the water and prefer either permanent swampland or seasonally flooded forests. The jaguar has been severely affected by habitat loss throughout much of its natural range, along with poachers who shoot them when they get too close to the growing cattle ranches. The leopard is a silent and opportunistic hunter that only hunts and kills other animals to survive. The leopards primarily hunt medium-sized mammals such as deer and warthogs, which are often ambushed from the branches above or dense vegetation just meters away. The leopard, however, also eats a wide variety of prey, including birds, reptiles, and rodents, even hunting dung beetles when larger animals are scarce. By eating much smaller prey, leopards can avoid intense competition for food from other large carnivores like tigers and hyenas, with which they share parts of their natural range. They are also very stealthy creatures that drag their kill into dense vegetation or up into trees for safety from scavengers. The leopard is a solitary and nocturnal animal that hunts both on the ground and in the trees. They are excellent climbers and spend the vast majority of the daytime hours resting in the shade of the branches in the trees or under a sheltered rock. They are quite unique amongst large felines, as leopards rely heavily on being able to get close enough to their prey before ambushing it, rather than expelling vast amounts of energy in a high-speed chase. The majority of a jaguar's hunting is done down on the ground, but they are also known to hunt for prey in both the water and from the trees, from where the jaguar can easily ambush its prey, often killing it with one powerful bite. Medium-sized mammals make up the majority of the jaguar's diet, including deer, capybara, peccaries, and tapirs, which they stalk in silence through the dense jungle. When in the water, jaguars hunt turtles, fish, and even small caiman when the opportunity presents itself. The jaguar is known to be a formidable and aggressive hunter and is thought to eat more than 80 different animal species to supplement its diet. With growing human settlements, the jaguar has also been blamed by ranch owners for stealing their livestock, particularly in areas that encroach on the jaguar's territory. The jaguar is an excellent swimmer and can move through the water at surprising speed, particularly when in pursuit of prey. As with many other cat species, the jaguar is a solitary animal, except for the first couple of years that jaguar cubs spend with their mother. Leopards and jaguars are different predators. Jaguars are a lot larger, and most of their prey are aquatic animals. They have an enormous bite force and are the largest cats in America. The leopard might enjoy the fact that there aren't many other predators in South America to compete with it. The bigger problem here would be prey. Jaguars are generalists supreme, eating just about anything. Many of these jaguar prey items would be unavailable to the leopard. Caimans, anacondas, and fish are off the menu because leopards don't swim, and the first two would also be dangerous. Tapirs and horses are probably too big. This leaves the leopard with very small quantities of the medium-sized prey they would prefer, and a fair amount of smaller prey, which is not really their thing. Leopards in Africa do well because they can pull their kill up trees. They are usually not real comfortable in the water. They live where the prey is the right size for their needs. The African leopard's habitat wouldn't be ideal for the jaguar because jaguars are apex predators in the Americas. The biggest issue would be the megafauna, but the Nile crocodiles, lions, hyenas, and African wild dogs would teach the jaguar manners. Not only predators, but everything in Africa appears to have an attitude issue, whether it's rhinos, hippos, baboons, or the mighty elephant. Jaguars, like leopards, are strong enough to catch their kills up trees, which could solve that problem. Hunting animals that no other predator would, such as crocodiles, would also be a game changer. In India, the leopard is found in all forest types, from tropical rainforests to temperate deciduous and alpine coniferous forests. This is where the jaguar would thrive. It's wet and humid, just like home. It can make a pretty good living off the deer and small monkeys inhabiting the forests. Dholes wouldn't be much of a threat unless they were in large packs. The main danger they should learn to avoid is tigers. They are bigger, stronger, and will not hesitate to kill jaguars if they consider them a threat. Crocodiles are another significant threat that could be encountered in this area. Jaguars should be very careful when deciding to enter the water in search of food. Now that you've heard our opinion, we want to know yours. What do you think would happen if leopards and jaguars would swap their habitats? We're waiting for your answers in the comments. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. You can also leave a comment with what you would like to see in the following videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.